Mess Around!
Hello everybody and welcome to Mess Around TV, and do we have an exciting mess kit to show you today. Peppa Pig. If your kids love Peppa Pig, they are going to love our Messy Pig fun kit. In your little kit, you'll be getting a fun set which will include either like a swing or some kind of Peppa Pig toy, which is brilliant. And we have some fantastic messy materials so you can play at home. So we have George's pasta, dinosaur pasta. How cool are these? This is dyed pasta. Let me get into the box. All your kit comes in these little pots, look, and you can see these ones are being dyed, and it's got tiny little dinosaurs. We've got Stegosaurus there, Tyrannosaurus Rex there. So these are really cool. So you'll get your own little George's dinosaur pasta. You'll also get muddy puddles, because we know Peppa loves to jump around in muddy puddles. So you will get your own topsoil. It's treated, so it's safe to play with, and the kids, look at that, you can get all muddy in there, which looks like good fun. So you can create your own muddy puddle, just add some water. We also have, which I absolutely love, is this sparkle soap slime. So this looks really cool, and it's all got glitter in it, so it looks really, oh, look at this, like colour lemon, nice and yellow, sparkly. Oh, look, that makes a fantastic duck pond. So that's all you need to do is add some water, or you could actually just tip it out and get playing straight away. Now, also in your Messy Pig fun kit, and I absolutely love these, are these super cute, tiny, little sort dough ducks. How cute are these? They are really small. They've even got little eyes. These are brilliant, and you can play with these. In your pack, you get some lovely yellow duck feathers. So you could use this, make your own little, oh look, love, these are lovely bright colours. You put them down with your little ducks and the kids could play with that. That looks brilliant, love that one. We've also got Daddy, yes, we love Daddy Pig, his fizzing chocolate cloud dough. So it comes in a nice pot. All you need to do for this one is to activate it, so you could play with that just normally, or you could add some vinegar in, which is in your kit, and it will start fizzing and go psh. So there's your little vinegar that comes with that kit, and add that in. Or you could just play with that normally until you're ready to activate it. So that's really good fun, that one. And we've also got Mummy Pig. Yes, we love Mummy Pig. This one, we've got her Waterbead jewels. So lovely sparkle, different colours. We know the children absolutely love playing with water beads. And the great thing about it, you can scoop them all back up and use them again. And also in your kit, you have these rainbow dyed oats, which are going to be rainbow oats for dress up fun. There's 3 packs of them. They come in different colours, and these are great for obviously mixing and pouring, putting in the tray, using colour counting. You can mix, do all sorts with them. So that is a brilliant pack. So that also, when it gets delivered, it comes in its own box. Doorstep delivery, it'll be all in the box. The children can use this to contain the messing, and you also get your own set of instructions, and these are really cool because this has things like all the different materials, all the different ingredients, so you know what's included in them, how to use them. It's got play ideas, and it actually tells you how to store it all. So this is a brilliant, comprehensive equipment instruction pack that you can use with your kit. So if you would love to get your hands on one of our Messy Pig fun kits, then you need to head over to your local leaders Facebook page, see if they're delivering in your area, and get yourself one ordered today. Have a great time playing with it. Bye for now.